Welcome to the Minimalist Mama. I'm Emily, and it's been a long time since I've done a favorites video. Actually, since January, I think, was the last time. It's been a while. I have a handful of favorites here. As always, this is not a list of summer must-haves or things that I recommend you go out and buy unless it is something that would be useful or helpful for you. So these are some things that just I've discovered lately that have been really helpful or comfortable or useful. So if you're already in the market for something, then these are some things that I would recommend because I've been enjoying them a lot. Let's get into the summer favorites. I'm going to start with skin related things and then move on to some clothing items and then some home stuff. My very first thing is probably the thing I'm most excited about, which is this Ologist Express Tan Self-Tan Mousse. It comes in this really pretty shiny bottle. I was talking to my sister-in-law not very long ago, bemoaning the fact that all self-tanners smell so bad. They just have that nasty self-tanner smell. I then discovered this at Target. And so for anybody else out there who doesn't do well getting sun, this stuff is pretty magical. It smells really good. It barely has a scent at all, and it smells really good. The color on this is really realistic and nice and even. I love the mousse aspect of it. It's just fun and feels like it's easy to spread and get a nice even coat. So I put this on at night after I take a shower, and I have white sheets, and I so far haven't noticed any of it coming off or staining my sheets or pajamas or anything like that, so that's also amazing. So it says it gives you personalized results in 1 to 4 hours for a spectrum of shades. So the longer you leave it on, the more tan you become. It uses odorless technology and transparent tanning system for 0 streaks and 0 transfer. And so far, that has been absolutely true. So you exfoliate the day before and then use this after you get out of the shower. And it's really, really nice. And I just love that it doesn't smell bad. Oh, it also says it's clean, vegan, and organic. Speaking of clean, vegan, and organic things, so I switched out my deodorant recently for this native deodorant. So it has its ingredients on the back, but it is paraben free, aluminum free, and doesn't have fragrances in it that are considered, I don't know, bad, toxic or something. I picked out this one. It's coconut and vanilla. It goes on practically clear. You really can't see it. It feels very different from a normal deodorant in that it feels like really gritty, but it actually works. It really works. And I was nervous about trying a natural deodorant because I was afraid it wouldn't work, but this has really held up. Probably better than my previous cheap deodorant that had aluminum and all of that other stuff in it. If you are looking to go with a natural deodorant, I'm really happy with this native deodorant. Okay, and then I also bought this. This is Paula's Choice Weightless Body Treatment with 2% BHA. So it has salicylic acid, I think that's how you say it, and antioxidants in it. Basically, it's a exfoliating cream. So it helps smooth roughness and bumps on your skin by exfoliating through the different acids that are in it. I've mentioned this like a handful of times before, but I have really bad keratosis pilaris, KP, on like the backs of my arms. It's not too bad, but on my thighs and legs especially, which is not fun in the summer when you're wearing shorts and a swimsuit and all of that. So I did some research, found this recommended, and decided to try it, and it definitely has helped. Nothing can totally remove those bumps, but this has definitely helped with smoothing my skin and helping to at least bring those bumps down smaller. And it also smells good and feels good, so I just put this on after I get out of the shower. I'm really happy with it. So if that's also something that you deal with, definitely do some research on it and look into like what acids could be helpful for you. But yeah, it's a great option. and I got that on Amazon. Then also speaking of bumps, I bought this. This is Tend Skin Solution, and it is for ingrown hairs, razor bumps, and shaving waxing for women or for men. But this you just put on a cotton ball and apply after you shave or where you have razor burn or ingrown hairs and that kind of thing. In the summertime, we're all shaving a lot more, unless you're going all natural, which is fine too. But a lot of us are doing a lot more shaving, which can lead to razor burn, irritated skin, bumps, or ingrown hairs. I saw this on a different YouTuber's video about shaving and decided to try it out because I do have pretty sensitive skin, and it's pretty amazing. Like in a few days it will clear up. If that's also something you suffer with, I highly recommend getting this. I bought it on Amazon and it has been well worth it. That's all I have for skincare. So now we will move on to clothes. Yes. So first up, after my last closet clean out video that I did several months ago now, I decided to invest in some good pajamas because I got rid of a bunch of mine that weren't very nice and I really didn't have any left for summer. So I bought these online from Target, and they are the Stars Above brand, and they're like silky, satiny kind of material. Actually, what are they made out of? Polyester and spandex, but they actually do breathe really well. They're really soft and silky, so I got the shorts and then the tank top shirt. Camisole, which I find like all my pajamas are coordinating with the color scheme in my house with light pink and navy blue. But anyway, I bought these at the beginning of summer, like when it first started to heat up. I bought these and I love them so much. They're so comfortable. The fabric breathes really well. It's nice and soft and silky, and they're really cute.
I have a surprise for you. Okay.
Okay, thanks. Okay, so another thing I bought at Target are these shorts. These, that's the back, are either called pull-on shorts or paper bag waist shorts or some kind of something like that, because they have elastic at the top and they're just this nice lighter fabric. I bought these from Target and a pair of black ones. The black ones kind of fit kind of weird, but these ones fit really well. And they're just so nice as an alternative to denim shorts, which don't breathe and they just feel like so hot and oppressive in the summertime. These like feel like a skirt or wearing pajama pants, but they look really cute, and I highly recommend if you struggle to find things to wear on your lower half in the summertime, to look into pull-on shorts, drawstring shorts, or you know, some other synonym for that style of shorts. And then two things I ordered from Amazon actually that were kind of, this one was kind of a spur of the moment purchase, and I ended up being really glad I got it. You know how much I love stripes. So I saw this shirt. It has these little flared sleeves and this little tie in the front, which you've probably seen me wear already in some other videos because I wear this all the time. All the time. It's soft and stretchy and cute. I love the little details. It's kind of my favorite go-to summer shirt right now. And then also from Amazon, I bought a swimsuit because in quarantine I was looking online and trying to find some and just couldn't figure out what to do. And I know Amazon makes it really easy to return stuff, so I decided for the price I would give it a try. So I got these high-waisted bottoms, the top, which has this little ruffle on it. And I was wearing this in my last video about our trip, our family trip, and our 10-year anniversary trip. So I really, really like it. It's really cute, really comfortable, and I feel like it's very flattering, and I like this peachy coral color too. And for the price, it was a great find. Then home stuff. So two things in this category. One is the mirror I found the day that TJ Maxx opened up. Well, actually, the day after TJ Maxx opened up, because the first day it was open, there was a huge line out the door that I didn't want to wait for. So the second day I waited in line, got into TJ Maxx, and I found this mirror. You will see more of it in the bedroom makeover that I'm working on right now. I just love this rattan sort of flower sunburst pattern. It works so well with some of the other things going on in the bedroom that I will save to show you in the makeover video. So stay tuned for that.
Yes, I'm back with another surprise.
Okay.
Look at this closely. Wait, the light. Come over here and look. You can see it.
Pretty much everyone, I feel like, in quarantine has gotten really into plants, and I'm no exception to that. I bought some for a Mother's Day present to myself, and then most recently I ordered a snake plant for our bedroom. It's named Severus Snape, of course. I just love that these ones are so easy to take care of. They're very low maintenance. I love the freshness and the life that plants are bringing in to our home, and they just make it feel like so much more homey and alive. I think that's all my favorite things. If you'd like this type of video, let me know in the comments down below. Maybe I'll try to make them every once in a while, a little more frequently than I have. Or if there's anything else that you would really like to see from my channel, let me know that too. I would love to hear from you, your suggestions on that. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.